We got Big G back on the troll today. I've swapped it around a bit now, so he's on the line again in the footings, but he's landing from the other end. So we got another discipline to have a go at. You got a bit of lay bricks and both ways. You probably want to get a bit more bed joint, my man.
Yeah.
Alright, so lay that one, but then you got to fill the whole hole the brick that's covered. Leave it there and you just put some more on.
So I'll just redo it.
Right, let me come through, I'll get this in. Away you go. Dee-dee. Not going so well today, is it?
Not really.
That's what cool I get, my man.
Huh?
You get those like that, that's how it feels sometimes. Alright?
Yeah.
What you probably want to do is, in order you want to get your Tron, you want to be here and go like that.
What, on the other side?
Yeah, so you want to be here, go like that, then clip your stuff. So let me just hold, get you. You got to shuffle backwards and forwards. Get one hand there, look. So you got all your balance.
Yeah.
Like that, alright. So now get all that. Let me just get a little bit of cross joint. Now, so you got to be here, look.
Yeah.
So what you got to just do rather than think of a reason to stop. That was easy, yes, wasn't it? You land the other way.
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
Starting again because I wasn't happy with it.
You're all twisted now, aren't you?
Yeah. That won't go that way. Can't get it like that.
You got to hold the brick the other way, yeah. That's it, you got it. That'll come. That's early in the morning, but it's I think I've thrown you a curveball today,
Yeah.
You've got to do it all. Alright?
Yeah.
I think you'll find the line is just coming at that end. That's it. Alright?
Yep.
So you carry on, I'll jump in there now. Or were you? I think you were that. Were you that end?
I was that end going that way.
Right. So would you be better if you were that end?
Well, I need to learn this
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
I?
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
Just when I was like that, I found when I was putting the muck down, I was...
Yeah. But when you're learning stuff, and you always look for a reason to not be able to do something like that. That's natural.
Yeah.
All right. Don't worry about it.
So should I just pop it like
Just
that?
go. That's it. Have a go. Just
And
have a
then
go.
when I'm spreading it,
Yeah.
what's the best way of doing it? Because I seem to muck this bit up when I do it from this angle.
Hang on. Then. Yeah. Just jump up. Like to have a brick in the hand. So let's have a look. So you got muck on there. So I put my arm on there, so I got balance.
Yeah.
You got. I just work that a bit. Always keep scraping stuff off. So now I've got a full joint. That's where you got. You don't want a bit like that. A bit like. So you got.
Yeah.
I got balance. I'm resting on there. So I'm comfy now that I've got. I can lay a brick. So I'll now get one of them. Just give it one of them like that, like that. And then I swap. Look, get like that.
Yeah.
And then just slowly lift it into position. Like
Yeah.
that. And say if that was easy, everyone would do it. That's about just getting your balance.
Yeah.
And I'm watching you. And the board hasn't been wet, so the stuff's sticking to the board. Ah. That's it. You got to find your balance. Keep scraping the stuff, don't fall on the floor. You got to keep scraping it off the edges.
Yeah.
You're right. Put a little more on. A little more on. That ain't going so well today, is it?
No.
That go like that, you'll get days where that go up great, and you think, I got it. Then the next day you ain't got it. Remember that one movement?
Yeah.
Reasonably quick. That's what make it stick.
Yeah.
Going like that, look, going. Don't what you got to go. That's that movement. That slide it on. That's it. Then that stick. Just like you're throwing it at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Swap your hand. That's how it might not work for you eventually, but you.
Yeah.
That working principle. Always keep scraping your snots off.
Yeah.
That's less waste and everything. It's just see what you're doing.
Yeah.
You can't scrape your snots off enough. Again. But I was exactly the same. You get a good day, you get a bad day.
Yeah.
You know, you get 2 good days, you get 3 bad days. That's just.
Yeah. So I need a bit more on here then.
Yeah. I think what it is, you're not delivering it right. That's the problem. You're not. So what you're not getting enough.
Yeah.
You're not prepared. You got to make it. It's got to feel right on there. Now watch. I'll come here. Look.
Yeah.
Look. Like that.
Yeah.
You got. So you want to cover all the brick. Just get a little more on there. That's what you're sort of looking for, look. So you got a good cover on all your gear.